Okay, here we have, again, Fairy Brutal, who plays with the Carolina Roller Girls, but also with the team that's called the Tide Cheetahs.
The Tide Cheetahs, as well as our B team, the Carolina Bootleggers.
Okay, and the way your system is set up is that you have actually 3 teams that make up the Carolina Roller Girls. Could you tell us about that?
We have 3 home teams, the Debutante Brawlers, the Trauma Queens, and the Tide Cheetahs. And during a period in which we call home season, those 3 teams play each other, and at the end of the season, they battle it out for the championship. And this past year, the 2008 championship, went to the Debutante Brawlers.
Yay!
For the home team championship.
That's Deviled Legs team, right?
Yes, it's
Okay.
Deviled Legs' team.
And then this traveling team and the B team, can you tell us about that?
The All-Stars that will be traveling to regionals this coming weekend are the, sort of like in other sports, what they call the All-Stars from each team are pulled out, sort of like the All-Stars from the Brawlers, from the Queens, from the Cheetahs. They're pulled out to form one team of 14 players to go play other leagues or to play tournaments, or actually all of the above.
Now, I know you guys aren't funded at all, so does everybody that plays Carolina in Carolina Roller Girls kind of help support traveling expenses, or is it that if you're good enough to be on the traveling team, it's also more expensive?
Well, if you're on a travel team, it just depends on our ticket sales at Dorton Arena. When we are able to pay for the travel of our fabulous All-Star team, our fabulous Bootleggers, any of our fabulous teams that I love, that are traveling, we do. And sometimes we'll kind of split it up and have it so that they pay part of their travel, a little portion of their travel, and other times
Okay.
it just
But
kind of
again,
varies.
so you do what you can do, but it's
We do
still
what we can do.
an expensive sport.
It is an expensive sport, and the reason we do it is we love it. I mean, we literally pay to play, and we get beat up, we get bruised, physically beat up, but I could show you an MRI of my knee. And we have a wonderful time, and not many sports that you play, you leave the track, and you kind of look at the person you were just like hitting, or they were hitting you, and you're like, that was a good hit. And this is a person you just played against.
Right.
And when the game is over, you go out to dinner or out to drinks together, and this is the opposing team. And not many sports do that.
No.
Hardly any I know off the top of my head.
Okay, thank you.